Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually link your Rockstar Social Club account to your Epic Games account. Now it's a very easy process, but it's a bit of a workaround, so make sure to pay close attention. Now the first thing that you would try is actually go down to your settings and open up the linked accounts, and as you can see there is no social club to Epic Games account, and from here you can't actually link it. But what you can do is simply go down to the top right where the icon appears, the avatar, head to help, go to support, and from here you need to pay close attention because we're going to the social club section, and here you go to social club account and you go to the account linking. Now from here it's very easy. Now in the description you paste something like, I would love to link my social club to Epic Games. Can you do this for me? Something in the lines like this. And from there it's very important that you get the account ID of your Epic Games account. Now how do you find it? It's very easy. You open up your Epic Games launcher right here, and you go to the top right where your name appears. Now from there we go to our account and it will open up a browser. Now from here you log into your Epic Game account settings, and as you can see it will take you straight to the account settings where your ID appears. Now it's very important that you paste this ID inside of here. So make sure to put it in as well. That's my Epic Games ID. And that should be it. Now here you can simply submit the web ticket and that should work. Now if you still get any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please subscribe and leave a like. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.